Alright, I'm back and we're gonna finish off here real quick. One more screw here, and now you can start tightening them, but not too much because you might want to remove the screws and use the servo for something else later on if you're doing another build or you want to do some maintenance on the robot. So I screw these things in but not over tighten them just in case you need to do something else later on. Anyway, we got those things done, and now we're going to make sure that this part here is well aligned, and we're going to put in those two screws there, and that's usually a little bit tricky. So I usually like to set that up like that and then figure out where the hole is. And with a bit of luck, it'll go in. Not that easy, but it's workable. Alright. Alright, and then this one is the last screw here. Keep these quite tight because when the servo moves, you don't want this stuff to come undone. Again, not so tight that you can't undo the screw, but tight enough that it doesn't wobble. There we go. That's done. Now for the last part, which is making sure that everything is aligned properly, like so. And then you have to go this way and grab this little wrench that I talked about and then go in. I'd use the screw to keep it in place and then use the leverage that you have with your fingers to tighten it. So usually it's righty-tighty, right? So you're going to have to go lefty-loosey on with your left hand. This is kind of a ambidextrous kind of job here. It's not something that you could just do with one hand. Yeah, don't over tighten it, otherwise this thing won't move, but you get the idea. You got to do that for all the other wobbly bits, otherwise when you use the servo, this thing won't be able to pick up anything at all. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.